What are we doing today?
We are hiking the Lukey Pookie Hookie Wookie Trail looking for a Wookiee
Or a waterfall.
or a waterfall. Or a Wookiee in a waterfall.
We are by Kolau.
Koala, that's what I said.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
Trees of Greenland, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful
Big burrow
the
comes down the
colors
bank
of
and
the
died
rainbow,
when I sank the
so
water.
pretty in the sky. Also on the faces
Just a horrible hike,
of
isn't it?
people passing by.
I was just thinking Scott and Chris would absolutely love this. It would be all over.
How do you do?
You know everybody on this island.
They really
Yeah.
say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them go. They'll learn much more than we'll know.
Just a little.
And I think to myself,
Awesome hike.
everybody gotta save for yourself. Make the kuleana pono for help the other. And when you make your kuleana, you know, pono,
You hit it.
it's like kind of automatic kind of. You don't need talk and stuff going happen. And you just gotta let them, and the stuff just waiting for when you ready. What happened?
Into the jungle.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you.